Welcome everyone to our deep dive into the microscopic world that makes us who we are. Today we begin our journey with an introductory presentation on chromosomes, DNA, and genes, the core elements that define life at its most fundamental level. Imagine a world hidden inside every cell where complex instructions are written in a language of molecules forming the very blueprint of life. In the next few minutes, we'll explore how these tiny structures work together to shape every aspect of living organisms. 2. Before we plunge into the details, let's outline our learning objectives for this session. We're going to define some essential keywords: nucleus, chromosome, DNA, and gene, so you know exactly what they mean and how they interact. We'll also explore the levels of organization from the nucleus down to an individual gene and highlight the fascinating differences between the two sex chromosome pairs. By the end of this presentation, you'll not only understand these terms, but also see how they form a seamless network that underpins every living being. 3. Let's start at the very beginning, the cell. A cell is the smallest unit of an organism and is often referred to as the building block of life. Think of cells as tiny factories, each one buzzing with activity and purpose. Most human cells contain a nucleus, a specialized compartment where vital processes are orchestrated. And this tiny world inside each cell holds the secrets of our genetic makeup and functions as the control center for all cellular activities. From muscle cells powering our movements to neurons transmitting signals in our brain, every cell plays a critical role in keeping us alive and thriving. 4. Next, we journey into the nucleus, the command center of the cell. The nucleus is not only responsible for controlling the cell's activities, but it's also the repository where all our genetic information is stored. Envision the nucleus as a secure vault, safeguarding a treasure trove of instructions that dictate how the cell grows, repairs itself, and functions. Within this vital organelle lie structures known as chromosomes, intricate, thread-like entities made entirely of DNA. These chromosomes hold the code for life, and understanding them is key to unlocking the mysteries of our biology. 5. Now, let's zoom in further on the chromosome. Each chromosome is composed of a single, long molecule of DNA that winds and coils in an astonishingly precise manner. The familiar cross shape that we associate with chromosomes becomes visible when the DNA replicates, coils, and condenses during cell division, specifically in a process known as mitosis. This remarkable transformation ensures that every new cell receives an exact copy of our genetic instructions. It's like watching a complex scroll being unfurled and then neatly re-rolled into a compact package, each step perfectly choreographed to preserve the integrity of our genetic code. 6. At the heart of the chromosome lies DNA, deoxyribose nucleic acid, a long, twisted molecule that carries all the genetic instructions needed for life. Imagine DNA as a vast library filled with an enormous amount of information. But how is this information used? That's where genes come in. A gene is simply a section of DNA that contains the specific code for producing a particular protein. Proteins are the workhorses of the cell, responsible for carrying out a myriad of functions that keep an organism alive and well. In essence, genes serve as the instructions for building and maintaining the complex machinery of life. 7. To truly appreciate the complexity of our genetic blueprint, we must understand how genes are organized within our cells. Consider this. The organization starts at the nucleus, where chromosomes are housed. Then each chromosome contains long strands of DNA, and nestled within these strands are the genes, the specific segments that code for proteins. Visualize this as a series of nested Russian dolls, each layer revealing more intricate details. By understanding the hierarchy from the nucleus down to the gene, we can see how information is compactly stored, yet remains accessible when needed to drive life's processes. 8. One of the most astounding facts about human genetics is the organization of our chromosomes. Every human cell, except for certain specialized cells, contains 46 chromosomes arranged neatly into 23 pairs. These pairs are more than just matching sets. They carry the same types of genes, ensuring consistency in the genetic instructions across our cells. Interestingly, variations in this pairing, such as having an extra chromosome, can result in specific conditions or syndromes, highlighting the delicate balance that exists in our genetic makeup. This organization is a testament to the precision and complexity of life. 9. Now, let's delve into one of the most well-known aspects of our genetic identity, the sex chromosomes. Out of the 23 pairs, the 23rd pair is unique and determines our biological sex. In females, these chromosomes are identical and are known as double X, while in males they differ and are called XY. This simple yet profound difference not only influences physical characteristics, but also has far-reaching effects on genetic expression and even aspects of behavior. Understanding the role of these sex chromosomes provides key insights into the intricate dance of genetics that shapes who we are. As we conclude this exploration of chromosomes, DNA, and genes, let's reflect on the awe-inspiring complexity hidden within each cell. These tiny structures are not just building blocks. They are the fundamental scripts of life intricately woven to create the tapestry of our existence. From the vast library of DNA to the precise instructions encoded in our genes, every element works in harmony to drive life forward. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey into the heart of biology. If you found this presentation enlightening, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, the secrets of life are hidden in the details.